Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by switching your calculator to binary mode. This is essential. Once in BIN, clear any prior values so you avoid carryover errors. Next, enter the binary digits left to right. Do not pad with extra zeros unless aligning groupings. You want the exact bit string. For example, type 1011 directly. If your calculator only accepts groups, break into nibbles. Make sure the display reads binary, because decimal input will produce wrong results. Once you have bits entered, perform the operation while staying in BIN mode so the calculator handles carry and borrow correctly. Use the standard buttons, plus, times, divided by, and remember the binary rules. 1 plus 1 becomes 10, and 1 minus 1 is 0. That's why carry and borrow behave differently than decimal. If the calculator converts automatically, verify each intermediate result. When unsure, convert a short example to decimal to confirm the outcome and keep your workflow accurate. You finish by converting the final binary output back to decimal to verify accuracy. This explains why the result makes sense. If the number appears negative, make sure your calculator is interpreting 2's complement or using a sign bit consistently. Once done, clear and repeat the same operation with a known example to confirm consistency. If you see overflow or unexpected bits, double-check input length and mode. Those are the usual causes of errors.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.